A brand new car. Even $3,000 was not purchased. Do you know why this is? Come and see. I heard the car owner say, this car has a strange glitch. Only dare to add half a tank of fuel each time. Once the fuel tank is full, the engine will not start. Let's give it a try. Okay, did you see that? This is freshly filled with oil. Come on, start it. Did you see that? Indeed, it cannot be started. Do you know why? Look at the front. This problem has occurred for a long time. The car owner has changed the spark plugs, cleaned the throttle, cleaned the oil lines, and replaced the oil pump. He spent $3,000, but the problem was still not solved. The car owner had no choice but to ask for help. He said, if it still can't be fixed this time, sold for a low price of $3,000. Today we will see if we can help car owners solve this problem. There are generally 3 reasons why a car cannot start: oil circuit, electric circuit, gas circuit. This oil line and electrical circuit have been inspected and repaired by the car owner before. Now all that's left is the gas circuit. Speaking of gas circuit, now I suspect there is a problem with this part. Many repairmen tend to ignore it. Come and see. It's this part. It's called the canister solenoid valve. Let's take it apart and check it out. It's also very easy to remove it. Let's unplug this plug first. Unplug it. Find a tool and remove the screw below. Insert it like this. Then turn counterclockwise. Okay, look. Just unscrew it like this. You can buy this tool everywhere. Look, the screws were removed. Then we can take it out. Look, just like this. Pull it out gently along this tube. Good. Take it off like this, and then we take it out from above. Straighten this pipe. Pull out this end too. Okay, just take it out when you see it. It is an electronic valve. Power-ups. Internally connect. Power outage. Internally closed. I now suspect that it didn't shut down tight after a power outage. There is an air leak. Let's give it a try. Did you hear that? It's leaking air. This shows that it is indeed faulty. Now the cause of the problem is found. Solving it is easy. Don't rush to replace it yet, to avoid wasting your money. Let's squat down. Put it on the floor and knock it twice. Return the valve to its original position. Just like those retro old TVs, we tap it hard to receive the signal. Good. Let's try it. Did you see that? It's no longer leaking. Then let's install it back. See if the car can start. Very easy to install. Put it in first. Plug the pipe here back in. Okay, then insert the other end of the tube back into it. Good. Finally put the plug back in. Okay, all the front ones have been installed. I'll get in the car next. See if the car can start. Hey guys, if the problem is solved, please light up the red heart to support me. The next step is to witness the miracle of the moment. Press the brake and shift to P. Come on, start up. Look, success. Did you see that? The power is very strong. Look at the front. Very perfect. Car starts quickly. Quick start. A piece of cake. The problem has been completely solved. Guys, how much do you think I should charge the car owner? Follow me and learn about cars every day.